The 2024 Hyundai Verna, Accent's latest generation, made its debut earlier this year, presenting an affordable small sedan tailored for emerging markets with an attractive design. However, digital artist Zephyr Designz has taken this budget-friendly platform and transformed it into a high-performance variant that could give even a BMW M3 a run for its money. The visual alterations made to the Hyundai Verna are extensive, leaving only the LED lighting units, greenhouse, door handles, and mirrors untouched. The standout feature is the exceptionally wide front and rear fenders that extend boldly from the bodywork. These fenders draw inspiration from the sharp, Lamborghini Urus-style contours, exuding a distinct race car aesthetic. The front end is redesigned with larger intakes and a splitter, while the rear showcases a generous diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, and a subtle lip spoiler. The most extreme version of the Verna sits on a set of 21-inch Asante Black Label wheels wrapped in Advan Niova tires. Furthermore, the suspension has been substantially lowered in comparison to the stock setup, and the tracks have been widened to accommodate the massive wheels and align with the fender extensions. While the creator of this digital concept didn't specify any performance enhancements, the sedan's appearance certainly demands more than the factory 1.5 TGDI engine, which generates 158 horsepower, 118 kilowatts, 160 PS. Hyundai hasn't hinted at the possibility of introducing a sporty N-line or full-fledged N variant of the Verna, but that hasn't stopped enthusiastic fans of the brand from dreaming about a spicier version. Vishnu Suresh, known as Zephyr Designz on Instagram and YouTube, has stoked their hopes with his hardcore bodykit concept for this compact sedan. This digital artist is renowned for pushing the boundaries of production vehicles, as seen in his extreme modifications of models like the Kia EV6 GT Time Attack Monster and the slammed Mahindra Scorpio N, complete with a Hemi V8 engine swap. More recently, he has created sporty iterations of the VW Virtus and Škoda Slavia siblings, introducing an imaginative rivalry within the small sedan segment.